This is the dissection of the back and the scapular region. We can see here the deltoid muscle here. This is the deltoid. If we reflect the deltoid, we can see here this muscle below the spine of scapula. So this is infraspinatus. This is infraspinatus, whereas above the spine, this is spine, this is infraspinatus, and above the spine we can see here this is the supraspinatus. So this is the supraspinatus above the spine, and below the spine this is the infraspinatus. Below infraspinatus, this here is a teres minor. This is the teres minor, and below which this is the teres major. Now along the medial border of the scapula on the dorsal aspect, from above downwards. So this toppermost muscle here will be levator scapulae. And this is the rhomboides minor. And this is the rhomboides major. So these are the muscles attached to the medial border on the dorsal aspect of the scapula. This is the posterior compartment of the arm. So this muscle here is the triceps brachii muscle. This is the long head of triceps. This is the lateral head of triceps. Deep to these heads will find a medial head of triceps brachii. We can also see there is a muscle here attached to the medial border but on the costal aspect. So this is the medial border of scapula, costal aspect. This muscle here is a serratus anterior muscle. And if we reflect the serratus anterior, we can see on the costal surface of scapula, this muscle here is the subscapularis muscle. So these are the main muscles in the scapular region.